Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching In Depth with your host Kriti Mishra. India has reached a significant milestone in its renewable energy journey, with the country's total renewable energy capacity crossing the 200 gigawatt mark. This remarkable growth aligns with the country's ambitious renewable energy target of achieving 500 gigawatt from non-fossil sources by 2030. This milestone reflects the result of years of dedicated efforts to harness India's natural resources. From sprawling solar parks to wind farms and hydroelectric projects, the country has steadily built a diverse renewable energy base. These initiatives have not only reduced reliance on fossil fuels, but also strengthened India's energy security. India's energy security is a critical component of its economic growth and sustainability goals. The government has launched various schemes aimed at promoting renewable energy, enhancing grid stability, and reducing carbon emissions. As of January 2025, India's total non-fossil fuel-based energy capacity has reached 217.62 gigawatt. A variety of renewable energy resources contribute to this imperative figure. Solar power leads the way with 92.12 gigawatt, playing a crucial role in India's efforts to harness its abundant sunlight. Wind power follows closely with 47.72 gigawatt, driven by the vast potential of the coastal and inland wind corridors across the country. Hydroelectric power is another key contributor, with large hydro projects generating 46.93 gigawatt and small hydropower adding 5.07 gigawatt, offering a reliable and sustainable source of energy from India's rivers and water systems. Biopower, including biomass and biogas energy, adds another 11.32 gigawatt to the renewable energy mix. These bioenergy projects are vital for utilizing agricultural waste and other organic materials to generate power, further diversifying India's clean energy sources. Together, these renewable sources are helping the country reduce its dependence on traditional fossil fuels while driving progress towards a more sustainable and resilient energy future. Several states in India have emerged as leaders in renewable energy capacity, contributing significantly to the nation's progress. Rajasthan tops the list with an impressive 29.92 gigawatt of installed renewable energy capacity, benefiting from its vast land and abundant sunlight. Following closely is Gujarat, which boasts a capacity of 29.52 gigawatt, driven by its strong focus on solar and wind energy projects. Tamil Nadu ranks third with 23.70 gigawatt, leveraging its favorable wind patterns to generate substantial energy. Karnataka stands at the fourth position with capacity of 22.37 gigawatt, supported by a mix of solar and wind initiatives.
India is committed to work with the world for a green future. We are also one of the founding members of the International Solar Alliance. Every effort to build an inclusive, clean and green planet will have India's support.
India is not only witnessing the major change in its energy sector, but also become the renewable energy capital of the world. India has charted an extraordinary path in the renewable energy sector. Today, India is one of the world's most promising nation in the clean energy space.
India aims for net zero by 2070 with 50% non-fossil electricity by 2030 and ranks fourth globally in renewable energy capacity, supported by several policy initiatives. Let's take a look at the major initiatives. Launched in 2020, the Centralized Data Collection and Coordination WIND initiative aims to advance India's wind energy development by improving wind resource assessment through accurate data collection and research. The initiative provides valuable insights for project developers, helping them identify the most promising locations for wind energy projects. It supports the efficient implementation of large-scale wind energy projects and encourages investments in the wind sector. The government, through National Institute of Wind Energy, has installed over 800 wind monitoring stations all over the country and issued wind potential maps at 50 meters, 80 meters and 100 meters above ground level. As on 30th of January 2024, India's cumulative wind power capacity stands at 48.16 gigawatt. Let's take a look at the objectives of this scheme. It facilitates wind energy development through centralized data collection and research, provides accurate wind resource assessment for better site identification, promotes private sector investments and public-private partnerships in wind energy projects. Let's also take a look at the achievements. Enhanced wind resource mapping has contributed to the successful identification of over 50 potential wind energy sites nationwide, contributed to the development of over 10 gigawatt of new wind energy capacity from 2020 to 2024, increasing India's wind energy capacity by 30%. Significant growth in wind energy capacity from 1.86 gigawatt in March 2004 and 21.04 gigawatt in December 2014 to 48.16 gigawatt in January 2025, reflecting the initiative's impact. In 2024, the Union Cabinet approved a 7,453 crore viability gap funding scheme to set up India's first offshore wind energy project. The scheme includes 6,853 crore for 1 gigawatt of offshore wind capacity and 600 crore for port upgrades to support logistics for these projects. National Green Hydrogen Mission. Launched in January 2023, the National Green Hydrogen Mission is an ambitious initiative aimed at transitioning India towards a hydrogen-based economy. The scheme focuses on the development of indigenous technology for green hydrogen production, infrastructure for storage, transportation and utilization. By promoting hydrogen as a clean energy source, the mission aims to position India as a global leader in green hydrogen production and export, thereby driving sustainability and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. With over 8 lakh crore in investment, green hydrogen capacity is expected to reach 5 million metric tons by 2030. This is expected to create 6 lakh jobs by 2030. Let's take a look at the objectives. Making India a leading producer and supplier of green hydrogen in the world. Creation of export opportunities for green hydrogen and its derivatives. Reduction in dependence on imported fossil fuels and feedstock. Development of indigenous manufacturing capabilities. Attracting investment and business opportunities for the industry. Creating opportunities for employment and economic development. Supporting R&D projects. Let's also look at the key achievements. 19,744 crore allocated for the mission's implementation with a focus on infrastructure development and technology innovation. The mission has an outlay of 600 crore for the financial year 2024-25. Establishment of 3 hydrogen production hubs in key locations across the country. Tenders awarded to companies for 4.12 lakh tons per annum green hydrogen production. Development of key policies and financial incentives with 50% subsidy on electrolyzer manufacturing and hydrogen production. Selection of manufacturers for electrolyzer capacity was also conducted in 2024. The International Conference on Green Hydrogen took place in Delhi from 5th to 7th July 2023, featuring global participation from industry, academia and government. The year 2024 also witnessed India's innovative renewable energy solutions being showcased on international platforms such as the World Hydrogen Summit 2024 in Netherlands. National Solar Mission. Launched in January 2010, National Solar Mission is a major initiative to promote ecological sustainable growth while addressing India's energy security challenges. It is also a major contribution by India to the global effort to meet the challenges of climate change. In order to achieve the above target, Government of India has launched various schemes to encourage generation of solar power in the country, like Solar Park Scheme, VTF schemes, CPSU scheme, and also Grid Connected Solar Rooftop Scheme. Let's take a look at the objectives of this scheme. Establishing India as a global leader in solar energy by creating the policy conditions for solar technology diffusion across the country as quickly as possible. Achieving the nationally determined contributions target to achieve about 50% cumulative electric power installed capacity from non-fossil fuel based energy resources and to reduce the mission intensity of its GDP by 45% from 2005 level by 2030. Off-grid solar PV program. Off-grid solar PV applications program is one of the oldest programs of the ministry aimed at providing solar PV based applications in areas where grid power is either not available or is unreliable. Applications such as solar home lighting systems, solar street lighting systems, solar power plants, solar pumps, solar lanterns, and solar study lamps are covered under the program. Solar Grid Connected Program. Government of India has also launched various schemes to encourage generation of solar power in the country, like Solar Park Scheme, CPSU Scheme, Defence Scheme, Canal Bank and Canal Top Scheme, Bundling Scheme, Grid Connected Solar Rooftop Scheme, etc. Various policy measures are also undertaken to promote the grid-connected solar power plants. By 2023, India achieved 5th rank in the world in solar power development. By 2023, India achieved 5th rank in the world in solar power deployment. In March 2016, the total installed solar capacity was 9.01 gigawatt, and by March 2024, the total installed solar capacity stood at 81.81 gigawatt. As of 28 January 2025, the total installed solar capacity is 97.86 gigawatt. As of March 2024, the total estimated solar potential of the country stood at 748.98 gigawatt. As of March 2024, there are a total of 58 solar parks in India with a sanctioning capacity of 40 gigawatt, in contrast to March 2016 when there were only 34 solar parks with 20 gigawatt sanctioned capacity. In March 2016, there was only 90.8 MV installed solar capacity under the rooftop PV and solar small power generation program. In March 2024, the total installed capacity has reached 11,503 MV. In 2024, for off-grid projects, India has 17.23 lakh solar home lights, 84.59 solar lamps, 9.44 lakh solar street lights, and an installed capacity of 216.86 gigawatt from solar power plants. This has increased from 2016, when 13.96 lakh solar home lights, 4.42 lakh solar street lights, and 172.45 gigawatt of installed solar capacity from power plants. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Maha Abhiyan. Launched in March 2019, the PM Kusum scheme supports farmers by offering financial assistance for installing solar-powered irrigation systems, including solar pumps and grid-connected solar power plants. By shifting to solar energy, the scheme also helps to reduce carbon emissions and improve energy access in rural agricultural areas. Under the scheme, central government subsidy up to 30% or 50% of the total cost is given for the installation of standalone solar pumps and for the solarization of existing grid-connected agricultural pumps.
PM Kusum, we are aiming to power our agriculture sector by providing solar-based power to irrigate the fields. Friends, India is progressively becoming a preferred destination for investment in renewables.
Let's take a look at the objectives. Promoting solar energy adoption among farmers. reducing dependency on diesel pumps, leading to lower fuel costs and improving energy access in rural agricultural areas, enhancing income generation through surplus solar energy sales. Key achievements include over 6.1 lakh solar pumps installed nationwide by December 2024 as compared to 3.3 lakh solar pumps installed by December 2021. 35 lakh grid-connected agriculture pumps solarized. As of June 2024, more than 4 lakh farmers nationwide have benefited from the PM Kusum scheme. PM Saurya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, the world's largest domestic rooftop solar initiative, is designed to promote rooftop solar energy adoption in residential areas. By providing financial incentives and subsidies for solar panel installation, this scheme enables households to generate their electricity, reducing their dependence on the national grid and lowering electricity bills. The initiative has a bold vision to supply solar power to 1 crore households by March 2027. Let's take a look at the objectives. Encouraging rooftop solar adoption in residential sectors. Providing financial incentives and subsidies for solar panel installations. Enabling households to generate their own electricity, reducing dependence on the grid.
केंद्र सरकार छत पर सोलर पैनल लगाने के लिए हर परिवार के बैंक खाते में सीधे मदद भेजेगी.
Reducing electricity bills by allowing households to generate and sell surplus solar power to the grid. Achievements: increased participation in the distributed solar energy ecosystem with over 1 lakh homes installing rooftop panels in the first year. Households benefiting from 20 to 30% reduction in electricity bills due to self-generated solar power. Within just 10 months, 7 lakh installations have been achieved, an average of 70,000 per month. This marks a 10-fold increase in monthly installations compared to the average of 7,000 per month prior to the launch of the scheme in February 2024. States such as Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh have demonstrated exceptional progress, reflecting robust infrastructure and stakeholder collaboration. Issuance of operational guidelines for the Model Solar Village scheme with a total outlay of 800 crore, granting 1 crore grant for winning village in each district. It aims to promote solar energy adoption and make villages self-reliant in energy. Villages with populations over 5,000 can compete based on their renewable energy capacity. In 2023, India's renewable energy sector reached a significant milestone, with an estimated 1.02 million jobs created, according to the International Renewable Energy Agency's annual review. The global renewable energy workforce expanded to 16.2 million in 2023, up from 13.7 million in 2022, with India playing a significant role in this growth. The report, created in collaboration with International Labour Organization, underscores India's increasing leadership in clean energy and its commitment to generating green jobs that fuel economic growth. Hydropower emerged as the largest employer, providing around 4,53,000 jobs, which accounted for 20% of the global total, second only to China. The solar photovoltaic sector followed closely, employing approximately 3,18,600 people across both on-grid and off-grid systems. In 2023, India added 9.7 gigawatt of solar PV capacity, ranking 5th globally for new installations and cumulative capacity, which reached 72.7 gigawatt by the end of the year. Of the total solar workforce, 2,38,000 jobs were in grid-connected solar PV, reflecting an 18% increase from 2022, while around 80,000 individuals worked in the off-grid solar sector. The wind sector employed about 52,200 people, with nearly 40% of these jobs in operations and maintenance and 35% in construction and installation. Other renewable energy subsectors also contributed to job creation, with liquid biofuels providing 35,000 jobs, solid biomass contributing 58,000 jobs, and biogas generating 85,000 jobs. Additionally, the solar heating and cooling sector employed 17,000 people, highlighting the diverse and expanding employment opportunities with India's renewable energy industry. India's renewable energy journey has reached a significant milestone marked by the impressive achievement of over 200 gigawatt of installed capacity. This accomplishment is a testament to the nation's commitment to a sustainable energy future driven by a diverse array of renewable sources. These ongoing efforts reflect a holistic approach to building a greener economy, ensuring that India not only meets its energy targets but also addresses the pressing challenges of climate change and resource conservation.
Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Sunset TV. Goodbye for now from my side.
To watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.